Want to create realistic WhatsApp chats without actually sending in a message? Use a WhatsApp fake chat generator. It's fast, free, and works on both mobile and desktop. Search on Google premiumsender.com and click on it. Now, in the web page, go to resources and click on free tools option. Here you have fake WhatsApp chat generator. Open that. Here you can see fake WhatsApp chat generator interface. Click on add message firstly. Get started with the sender's chat. The sender is the person sending the text, which is on the right side. Firstly, upload an image if necessary for the chat. Next, start curating your sender message like hello, how are you? Now, you can set in the time, date, and other settings like set in the time AM, PM, and also the date like today, tomorrow, or custom date. Now, the message status like sending, sent, delivered, etc. Now finally hit send and the right side, that is the sender chat, has been formed. You can look here. Moving along the receiver's chat, firstly click on add message again. Now the receiver is the person receiving the chat, which is on the left side. Here add image if required and curate the message like before. Now you can set the time, date, and other settings just like the sender's one, like set the time and the message status like send, delivered, etc. Also the date. Now hit send and your left side, that is the receiver chat, has been formed. Moving forward with the chat edit section, firstly change the name of the contact person. You can click on the pencil icon and then put in the name of the person. Next, edit the chats directly here. You can edit it here if you have any mistake or want to add on anything. Next, you have upload a DP of your choice and adjust it properly, like click on the pencil icon and upload a DP of your choice. The background setting, you can add the background to the chat interface by clicking on add background. Here you can see the background has been added, and now you can click on reset background to remove the background. Other amazing settings like header and theme settings. On the top you can switch on hide header or switch it off, or hide footer, and also you can switch on to the dark theme as and when you like it. Next is the layout, network, and mobile time settings. Here you can choose the layout of Android or iPhone or any network like 3G, 4G, 5G, and also the mobile time to be showcased like the AM, PM, or the 12-hour or 24-hour format. Moving on, it is the battery and other settings. Here you can choose the battery, like it should be vertical or horizontal, or the battery percentage, and also you want to show it or not, like hide payment is also there, dual sim you can show, chat add also you can show, and also click on to group chat. Final options to go, click on download chat as an image below, or even you can click on reset chat. The chat interface has been downloaded. With the WhatsApp fake chat generator, you can design custom chat screens that just look like the real thing. Here are the use cases of the chats. Firstly, it is client demos and UI mockups. You can demonstrate how your product or service works in this chat. Next one is content creation and memes, which you can create funny chats in seconds like GIFs, videos, or anything in the chats. Next one is training or presentations. You can use it for trainings like sales trainings, handling objections. They have shown a chat here. And then also presentations like the Zoom calls. Try the fake WhatsApp chat generator today and follow us for more. Thank you.